Hi, I'm Carol, and I'm going to show you how I frame a piece of my tea bag art in an inexpensive frame from the craft store. Let's get started. This is an 8x8 shadow box frame from Michaels. I took out the glass because I like to not have that reflective surface in front of my tea bags. I like to see, the fabric right through, so I don't use the glass. So this is the 8x8 frame, and here's the back of it. And here's my snippet that's been mounted to the background cloth, and this measures 10 by 10. Here's the back out of the frame, and I'll center this so that the top and the bottom are pretty equal. If I have to have any gap, it would be extra space at the bottom, but I'll try to get it lined up as square as I can and then even out the sides. And one advantage here is that this fabric is striped, so I can figure out how to square it up with the stripes. When I get it positioned where I think it should be, I've got a can of temporary spray adhesive, and I'm going to squirt a little bit on the back, not very much, and then I'll turn it over here and do a little bit on this side, because this is just to hold it in place so I can put glue on the back. Aleene's is my favorite type of glue, and I'm going to glue down these edges on the back. Now I'll take this and use binder clips to hold this flap in place until that glue sets up. I don't cut these corners. I'm going to put a little glue on both sides of that flap, press it down, and then put binder clips there as well. I'll move this one over. Okay, so this is all nice and snug, and if I think it needs tightening up, I'll just adjust my binder clips, because that'll work as long as this glue is still kind of wet, and wait for that glue to dry. Okay, now I'm ready to put the artwork that has been glued to this backing board into the frame. And then push each one of these little pins down that will hold it in place. Now I'd like to attach a piece of brown paper, which I've cut to fit, on the back so that I can put D-rings and a vinyl coated wire on the back, which I think is far superior to this thing. I'm just going to do one edge at a time, because this stuff dries pretty fast.